Hey everyone! We finally made it to the summit trail, and of course, I brought my best travel buddy with me. Alright, let's get moving. The view from the top is supposed to be absolutely incredible, and I'm taking you all with me.
Struggling with inconsistent characters, bad lip sync, and short video limits when you're trying to create one continuous story with AI? Or maybe you want to learn how to write powerful JSON prompts for total control? Then you're in the right place. Welcome. Hey friends, I'm Nova. Welcome. Today, I'll share my exact workflow to fix all of that and create professional animated stories with consistent characters, flawless lip sync, and even your own voice. This is how you make AI videos as long and polished as you want. Let's dive in. We're going to be using Flow from Google Lab. If you have a Gemini Pro account, you get 1,000 credits every month to play with. Click New Project to start. For this workflow, the key option is Frame to Video. Now, upload your first frame. Here I'm using a selfie of my sister, Mila, and her cat Oreo on a hike. And yes, you already know my go-to tool for creating these images. Next, paste in your prompt. I recommend using a structured JSON prompt. It gives you director-level control. It's simple. I'll break down how to write these later in the video. Now choose VO3 Fast, set the number of outputs, and hit Generate.
Hey everyone! We finally made it to the summit trail, and of course, I brought my best travel buddy with me.
Okay, this is our first scene, and I really like how it turned out. But how do you keep the story going? This is the key step. Above the video, click Add to Scene. That takes you into editing mode. Now, drag the playhead to the very last frame you want to continue from. Then, click the plus button and select Save Frame as Asset. That frame is now saved automatically and becomes the input for your next scene. Super simple, and it's ready to go. Now I'll paste in my next JSON prompt describing what Mila does next, and hit Generate.
Alright, let's get moving. The view from the top is supposed to be absolutely incredible, and I'm taking you all with me.
One last pro tip to keep your videos flawless. It's crucial that the last frame shows your character's face perfectly. If it's blurry or turned away, the AI won't maintain consistency. Alright, let's talk about the JSON prompt. It sounds techy, but it's the secret to getting director-level control. Let's break down the main part. So you could just write a simple prompt like, a girl in a room. But for real control, you need to give the AI a better script. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, let's break this down using our example text prompt that works really well. You can see it has a subject, like a thick, glowing purple liquid bubbling and swirling, and then shot in motion, like cinematic shot, slow motion close-up. Plus, other details for the environment, audio, and lighting. Now you just drop those elements into the JSON format. Slow motion close-up goes under composition, the liquid description goes under subject, and dramatic lighting goes under lighting. And that's it. You've translated your creative idea into a clean, structured script the AI can follow perfectly. First up, the detailed text prompt. The AI did a good job. It captured the magical vibe and built a nice scene. But notice the motion. It's too quick for true slow motion, and the look feels a bit generic. The details are more precise. The liquid is thicker, the motion is true slow motion, and the lighting and colors are exact. Alright, so here's the full video. I built this by repeating the last frame method, and whenever the style started drifting, I reset it with a clean starting image. From here, you can trim or remove any scenes you don't need, then export and download your final video.
Hey everyone! We finally made it to the summit trail, and of course, I brought my best travel buddy with me. All right, let's get moving. The view from the top is supposed to be absolutely incredible, and I'm taking you all with me. Okay, I was not expecting this. I have to go in, right? We have to see what's in there.
Let's see what secrets this mountain is hiding. No way! This isn't just a cave! What is this place? This place is huge. It's like a hidden world. The air feels old.
And I died, so the video looks great. But listen, hear how the AI voice changes between clips? We can fix that by adding our own. It's a simple 4-step process that makes your video sound professional every time. Step 1. Export your finished video with the temporary AI voice. Step 2. Convert that video into an MP3. This is key. It keeps the timing of all the dialogue. Step 3. Search for an AI voice changer and pick from the many tools available. There are plenty of options. And yes, you can even clone your own voice. And step 4. Combine the video and your new audio in any editor. Just mute the old track, drop in your custom one, and you're done. Alright guys, and that's the complete workflow from a single image to a full animated story. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.